I've not used this in so long, like it's literally been like 5 years. God, I'm making such a mess on the floor. See how long my hair is? We're like at shoulder length. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is wash day. In today's video, I'm going to be using the Vitale olive oil hair mayonnaise. I've not used this deep conditioner in about 5 years. It's been so long, but I have recently started reusing it and I've been loving how my hair has been feeling, so I wanted to share this with you guys today. So before we keep you here any longer, let's just jump right into it. So to wash my hair, we are going to use probably one of my favorite shampoos, the Malin Goetz Peppermint Shampoo. I love this. This smells so good. This cleans my hair and scalp so incredibly well. I love it. I'm obsessed. And then, like I said, we're gonna deep condition with this. This is a great combo because you get a nice deep clean and then you get a nice like scrumptious deep condition. Okay, so let's go. Quick outfit change. So let's get into shampooing. Now it's time to section the hair into quarters. Take my olive oil. This has an interesting smell. I don't love the smell of this. I'm gonna just take a generous glob, dollop it on my hair. This is great because you can also put this on your scalp, and I like to saturate my hair. This deep conditioner is a bit more like gloopy. It's not really a cream, it's kind of more like a lotion because it's quite watery. Slather my hair down to the ends, the roots, a little bit of a scalp massage. Sometimes I will go back through my hair because this does have protein in it. I really want to make sure that every strand is coated. Look how that's all come to the ends. My ends are always super dry. I made the mistake of not detangling my hair before. I should have detangled my hair yesterday, but despite that, we move. We go into the front. Because this deep conditioner is so watery and it like gets everywhere, I like to clean my hands in my hair. Nice. Scalp massage. Another dollop of that. I feel like the light is making my hair look grey, or is that just me? See how easily the brush goes through the hair. That feels really nice. Separate in two. You can see how that's gone through nicely. You can tell that I over condition my hair because when I put it into these twists, you get all of this conditioner that has subsequently gone down my top. My hands are absolutely covered in this deep conditioner. Okay, I kind of feel like I'm putting on a bit too much, so I'm gonna go less crazy. This time I'm just going to take a smaller, that looks about the same size I've been doing. I'm trying to take smaller bits because I just feel like I'm putting too much in my hair. God, I'm making such a mess on the floor. Nice. I don't usually brush before and after deep conditioner, but there's something about this conditioner that just calls to be brushed before and after. This deep conditioner is just so freaking good. Like, I love it so much. It literally saves my hair every time. And so when I'm not trying out new hair care products, which I have a lot of hair care products that I need to share with you guys, I like to use this. I think it's also one of those things, like when you just have things that work for you, it's nice having something to go back to. Our last section. But look at how amazing my hair has been, because I've been using this deep conditioner now for using this deep conditioner for a couple of months and I've seen the difference in my hair, which is why I was like, okay, let me try and do a smaller amount, because I've been using this for a couple of months and I've noticed that my hair just feels so much stronger. My split ends are less. My hair is growing a lot as well. I was like, I really need to share this with you guys because I've not used this in so long. Like, it's literally been like 5 years. It's been 10 years since I've introduced this. I say introduced this as if I'm some kind of tastemaker, but it has been like 10 years since I introduced this and like 5 years since I brought it to YouTube. Yeah, that's gone through nicely. I've made such a mess of this whole bathroom. I put way too much on. This is literally all my own fault. My hands are covered in this stuff. Like, look at this state. I don't know if you can see, but it's literally all over my top. But yeah, like, I love this stuff. This stuff is so good. I was a bit skeptical when I used it for the first time in 5 years, but it's as if I never left. They say you can keep this on your hair for 10 minutes, either underneath a warm towel or a plastic cap. So I'm gonna go and put a plastic cap on my head and then I'll be back in 10 minutes to rinse this off. It's been 10 minutes. I'm absolutely gagging to rinse my hair. Oh, my head feels so steamed in there. I probably could have kept my hair in this for a bit longer, but everywhere is dripping so wet, like I literally have to free myself. See how long my hair is? We're like at shoulder length. Even the front is at the shoulders, so we are literally at like shoulder length collarbone hair, which I love. Although, like I always say, like, I'm not that fussed by my hair length just because I don't wear my hair out. So having long hair isn't like a goal of mine. I would like to silk press my hair again, even though I do have slight PTSD from the last time I did that. Okay, make sure that everything's in there. Top one. Because of my shampoo, that is more of like a clarifying shampoo, sometimes my hair can feel a bit stripped because I do a bit too much by way of shampooing, but I do love how this deep conditioner just gives my hair a bit more luster, which is why I like to use this deep conditioner, especially with my Malin Goetz shampoo, because they kind of balance each other out. My hair is so much longer in the back. I need my front bits to grow out so that I can have, look, I've got like a mullet. Like, what is that? Hair is looking nice and good. Hair is clean, hair is washed. It's all up in my t-shirt. I'm out of breath. I don't know why whenever I wash my hair over the bath, I'm always so out of breath. It's actually crazy. So yeah, so that is me done with the wash portion of wash day. If you want to see how I style my hair, what products I put into my hair post wash, I'll have a couple of those videos linked down below so you can see what else I do to my hair after it's been washed like this. But before I say goodbye, just one last honorable mention to the star of today's video, the Vitale olive oil hair mayonnaise. This is such an amazing deep conditioner, and sometimes you just have to go back to basics. You just have to go back to what you know works, especially when your hair is in dire need. So I have gone back to this. This is a really great deep conditioner. I'm gonna have all of my blog posts, my YouTube videos to this linked down below in case you are curious or want any more information. This has just been so good at helping my hair, and so I'm excited to be reusing it and to reintroduce this into my hair care routine because this is so good. And this is only $8.99, which is really good. So yeah, that is all from me in today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, everything that I've used will be linked down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.